Hi and welcome back to my YouTube automotive channel. Today I'm sitting in a 2013 Dodge Charger and I will show you how to reset oil change light. Okay, first I will start this Charger to show you the message, and then later I will show you how to reset it. Okay, and the message will appear now soon. Okay, here it is, oil change due. Okay, so to start, turn off the vehicle and move your leg away from the brake pedal. And now what you will do, press the start button twice into a run position. And now press the gas pedal 3 times. 1, 2, 3. And now press the start button again to shut off the vehicle. So I will do it one more time quickly. So press start button twice, then press the gas pedal 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Move away your feet from the gas pedal and press the start button one more time into an off position. And once you do that, next time you start your vehicle, your oil life will be at 100%. Thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, please like it and subscribe to my channel. I try to post new videos daily. On my channel you can find lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, 0 to 60 times, and other similar automotive topics.